video clip, I'll be talking about our paint touch-ups. Once you have sealed all of your seams and you've let that dry for a couple hours, we're ready to do our final paint touch-ups. We're going to make sure and paint over all of the nail heads that we put in. In addition, we're going to paint over all of the seams that we just got done sealing. This is going to add another layer of protection against water or moisture from getting in there. Any parts that the hammer may have marred up or you may have got dirty by touching, we're going to paint over those as well. And lastly, we're going to put another coat of paint over the bottom of our siding. This is going to add another layer of protection as well. Now you can choose to paint over this with either a brush or a roller. Really up to you. Make sure you get all those nails covered up as well as those seams. This will really help it blend in. Once we finish our touch-ups, all we need to do is wait for it to dry and reattach our gutters.